So what is up, guys? PJ in another video. Today is the day I am at the beach. As you can see, the beach is move. Come on, focus. It's over there. There's a big building right there. Yeah. Okay, guys. Well, I am at the beach, and this video is not gonna be too long because where else I'm supposed to edit it if I barely can get service here. But things happen, so it's gonna happen today. So that's it for the video. Tomorrow's video is longer. I know this is probably gonna be a minute, 2 minutes. Tomorrow's video is gonna be 5 minutes, 10 minutes, one of those two. But remember, I don't give up because everyday, guys, and I'm not lazy. So that is it, guys. So let me just get one close up from the beach very quick, because I'm on my hoverboard. So my nose is so bad. Oh, there's people there. I don't know if you can see that, but so it is JP. It's JT PJ. I can't think of that. All right, well that's it, and this is JT PJ with the video. So so it is today's the day, and